Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix lock screen delay to wake up on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1. Reboot your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off guided access. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility, scroll up, tap on guided access. You can see appears on screen guided access. Guided access keeps the iPhone in a Signal app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, triple click the home button in the app you want to use. Guided access on and turn off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update all apps. Firstly, tap on App Store. Tap on profile icon and on the right top corner, check the app updates. Update are available. Update your apps and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact rebor.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix lock screen delay to wake up on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.